Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Caddy. It's a Cargo Commerce Pro panel van. It's fitted with a 122 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 21 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front parking sensors. You'll also notice it's got a high gloss black centre grille. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice the mirror caps are in high gloss black. The mirrors are also heated and power folding. This would be a great advantage leaving the van on a busy road and for cold winter months. To this side of the van, you will notice a side sliding door. As we look into the load area, you will notice a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video camera around, you will notice that the load area has been fully wood ply lined, including the floor. To the back of the Caddy, you will notice rear windows without windows. As we look across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. This Caddy is also fitted with rear LED tail lights. You'll also notice a Caddy badge and a VW emblem on the rear doors. As we move back into the load area, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. As we look across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Here we have these yellow door release catches, and this is the advantage of the door release catch. This Caddy is painted in a solid colour, which is called candy white. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we look across the dash, you will notice some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead again. It's also fitted with 2 comfortable seats in double grid cloth. The driver's seat is also fitted with ergo comfort. Both seats are also fitted with armrests for added comfort on long journeys. The centre console is also fitted with some more handy storage and 2 handy cup holders. This now has finished my 360 walk around the Caddy. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window switches. Here we have the auto headlamp switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This Caddy has covered 11,068 miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with FM and DAB radio. Down here you will notice 2 USB-C charge ports. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this vehicle is fitted with a park distance control for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. This Caddy is also fitted with air conditioning. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. This slider here is for your fan speed. Using the slider at the bottom or the screen, you can change the heat temperature. This system is also fitted with satellite navigation. It's easy to use, just pinch your fingers across the screen. You can also pull the maps across to find your ideal location if needed. Next, I'd like to move away from the media screen to show you the manual 6-speed manual gear stick. And lastly, here we have the electric parking brake with auto hold switch. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Caddy. It's a Cargo Commerce Pro panel van. It's fitted with a 122 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 21 plate Caddy, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When you are in contact with the salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.